Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart.
Alright, so I just jumped my Grom, and then I went to close my storage unit, and I took the key out because it's the same key, and it's dead again. So this is attempt number 2. This is always a little tricky. There we go. Alrighty. You know what, let me just put my keys right under here.
Oh, yo, what's up, yo?
I forgot I was recording. So, I don't know, I guess if I do end up making this into a video, I wanted to thank all my new subscribers. I actually got a bunch of new subs since the last time I made a video. I haven't ridden in months, but I have gained some subs since I stopped making videos, which is nice. I assume it's just people who haven't been able to ride, just watching YouTube and stuff like that. But I appreciate it. Appreciate all the new subs. And more content should be coming soon. As you can see, I'm obviously still trying to learn how to wheelie this thing. Oh, Jesus Christ. Thank you guys for watching. There's going to be plenty more content soon, now that it's actually good weather. And yeah, let me show you actually, let me see if I can even manage this. Oh, there we go. I added some underglow to my Grom, so you can kind of see that. Looks like that strip is actually coming off, but it'll stay there. It is what it is. You can see it kind of around, and my favorite part was right here. I stole this from another YouTuber. I think Attention Deficit gave the idea, so that's actually really cool. It looks like it, I just burned my knee on the exhaust. It looks like it kind of like comes through there. So yeah, just thanks for everybody for supporting my channel and all the new subscribers and stuff like that. Hope you guys tune into the next video, and I'll see you guys later.